Hey guys, Clayton here. Long time no see. I know I ain't made a video since last January, but I moved and I ain't even got my computer set up. Internet out here still kind of, don't work real well. My camcorder's pissing me off. So we're gonna do a little cell phone video today. This is my new little truck. Well, when I say new little truck, it's a 2000 model, and I got it over a year ago. But anyway, it's a 2000 Silverado 1500. 4.35 speed. Bought it off a dealer out of Nashville. Had 151,000 miles on it when I got it, which is pretty low, especially for a truck in the South. You know, everything around here's got like 300,000 miles. I was fortunate enough to find this one. Ain't the prettiest looking thing, but you know, I think it's got some character. It's got some style to it. It looks a lot better than it did when I got it. It had like these little 16-inch directional wheels on it, and I put these are 18s off or takeoffs off like a newer like Z71 Silverado or something, or Suburban or whatever. It's this pewter color, which I'm not the biggest fan of. As you can see too, the paint's baked on it, which actually I kind of think it's kind of cool. It's got a little patina to it. Truck's pretty straight though. It's got some dins and dents, and you know, it's a 22-year-old truck. But I put the toolbox on it. It's got that little tiny UWS toolbox. Best toolbox definitely the best toolboxes out there, the UWS ones. I had two of them come in. Two of them shipped to my house damaged. But I had like a DZ and a Better Built, and they both came in damaged, all banged up. But this box is probably too tough to be damaged in shipping. It's really well built. I threw a CB in it. That's what that antenna's for. Yeah, like I said, it's a 5-speed, which is not the easiest to find in this body style. The GMT 800s, which is what I wanted. Pop the hood on it. Just got done throwing a distributor in it the other day. Well, when I say I did, my dad and my brother took care of it for me, which was nice of them. They helped me out. Busy man. Anyway, yeah, there's a little 4.3. It's pretty clean under the hood. Ain't nothing too special, but it's got a Summit Racing distributor, Taylor wires. I ain't really done anything to it. just tune up, basic maintenance. It's pretty cool that the little underhood light still works. This thing is seriously rust free, which is why I bought it. I paid $5,800 for this thing, which is a lot and more than I wanted to spend. But you crawl under this thing, it is just perfect. Like, there is no rust at all. I mean, this thing is just. You can look at them rockers. It's hard to find one. Hell, it's hard to find one in southern middle Tennessee this clean, and that's the thing. This ain't even from around here. This is from, I may have bought it out of Nashville, but the truck is originally from South Carolina, and it spent most of its life in Georgia. The truck's actually had a lot of owners, according to Carfax, but according to Carfax, I am the 9th owner of this truck, which I think there's more to it than just having that many people own it. Like, this thing, according to Carfax, it was on its 3rd owner in 2001, which doesn't make any sense to me, but it has a clean Carfax. It's never been in a fender bender or anything. But yeah, she's got a clean interior. I threw a dash in it. It had a hole punched in it when I got it. No big deal. I had a friend who hooked me up with a bunch of free interior parts. I put them white gauges in it. It's got NOS needles that I bought online. No options in this thing. The only option it has is air conditioning. Yeah, 5-speed manual. My CB, it's a General Lee, which is based off of a Connex, I believe. It's modified. It's got a PA in it. I need to put an amp on it. The speaker ain't loud enough. But yeah, that's all she's got for mileage. It had 151 on it when I got it. course, I'm showing y'all this thing when it's all dirty, but it's whatever. It's a farm truck. That's the thing. We've moved. We live on a little farm now, out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, she's got a little exhaust leak. I'm gonna be taking care of that. Actually plan on throwing a turbo on this thing. That's why I ain't bothered trying to fix the exhaust leak yet, because I need to get the Cyclone, the GMC Cyclone exhaust manifolds. It's a real nice driving truck. It's got cold AC. Everything works, you know, like it should. Clutch feels good on it. All the synchros work. Here's my dad up there. Yes, I still have the Oldsmobile. I'm not gonna make a video on that right now because that thing is disgusting. I really need to clean it up, but well, ain't nothing changed on it anyway. It did a little bit of sitting. I had a misfire on it that I could not fix, and it turned out to be a mass airflow sensor. Just did not want to throw a code for it, but yeah, this thing is a good driving truck. It may only be a little 4.3, but the 5-speed, you know, keeps it peppy if you know how to drive it. I have that little gear keeper CB holder mounts on my rear view mirror. It works pretty good, other than it kind of just flies around on the, you know, kind of rubs up against the dashboard. It ain't a big deal though. It's got a cheap Pioneer radio in it that was in there when I got it. Yeah, there comes the dust. But yeah. That's my new little truck. I'm pretty happy with it. It's been good to me. A couple of trips through Ohio and back, and it's been dead reliable for me. I can't really complain. Can't really ask any more out of a 22-year-old pickup truck. Gotta have the Whalen sticker. Well, thank you for watching. Tune in next time. You know, next time I decide to post something, maybe in a year or two.